Hey, it's Dom and welcome to the unboxing of my new headphones, the Urbanista Stockholm to be precise. Now these are wireless headphones which look very close to the AirPods, but not so close in terms of size and all that. I've been using these headphones for about a week now and I must say I'm extremely happy with these. So the headphones come in this little case. I chose the white variation, but I believe there's also a green and black variation. There might be more than that, to be honest with you. These are compatible with Android and iOS, and I've used them with my laptop as well. Some of the main features of these headphones include a total playtime of 14 hours. Now that does include the case itself. I haven't had them go dead on me yet though, and I do use them on a daily basis. So it's 3.5 hours per charge, and you've got an enhanced microphone. It supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is a huge advantage. You've got stereo phone calls, volume and music controls, and it works with voice assistants such as Siri, Google Now, and Alexa. It's got touch controls. That's my Alexa activating there. And it's designed in Sweden but produced in China. Let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so this is the box. As you can see, the headphones themselves are compatible with Android and iOS. You've got a mic, it says 14 hours H, which I would imagine is 14 hours battery life. Now whether that's for the case or for the buds, that's a good question. The box, I must admit, is very well presented. And they do look like a premium set of headphones. So let's open the box. So the style continues inside the box. You got your charging case here, you got your buds there. Now already I'm seeing they do look a lot larger compared to the Apple AirPods. So this is the box. Inside the box you obviously have that. You also have a charging cable, which is a micro USB. And you have a instruction manual. And the instruction manual is available in English, Spanish, German, French, Japanese and Korean. Yours may be different. So you've got a pairing guide here, and you got instructions on how to use the touch gestures and touch control, and you got instructions here on how to use the touch controls. You got your charging case and other stuff in different languages. So let's have a closer look at the case. So this is the case. I must admit it does feel very nice. It's got sort of a rubbery feel. So that's obviously where your buds go. That looks to be magnetic, but we'll check that out in a moment. So your micro USB goes into here for charging. Now most importantly of all, let's check out these earbuds. Whoa, blimey, they are pretty stiff in there. So obviously they do look like the AirPods, and they've got this sort of pointed system which goes directly into your ear. They don't appear to have your R and L, which is actually okay, because it's difficult to put them in incorrectly. But the headphones themselves do have a rubbery feel as well. So because they have a rubbery feel, they are going to be a lot harder to fall out, I think. I am very happy with these headphones. The only downside to them, I would say, is that they're not noise cancelling. But if you're a fan of good quality bass, these are the type of headphones that you might want to buy. So in terms of the size of the actual earphone, this is what they look like. So I can compare this to if I compare that to an SD card. So that's an SD card and this is the earphone. Now, several YouTubers and reviewers as well have been complaining that the actual bud itself is a little bit big. In my experience, yes, it is. I haven't had a chance to, it hasn't fallen out for me just yet. But what I found is if you angle them correctly, they do actually fit. The touch controls are very good on this as well. I mean, there were a couple of occasions where I had to try and tap it again to get it, but that's because it took some time for me to get used to the touch controls. But once I get used to the touch controls, they're actually extremely good. Now, I haven't had a chance to use the mic feature, although I have tested it with Alexa on my phone. Now, Alexa isn't built into my phone, but it is available through the Alexa app. And that's... Alexa. Shh. She's trying to talk to us now. Alexa, stop. Assistants these days, seriously. Anyway, I have tried using this through my phone, and it worked. I mean, it's a little bit slow, I suppose. It's not the virtual assistant that's designed for my particular phone, which, by the way, is a Honor 8X. And I have Alexa set as my main assistant on that. She didn't hear. But other than that, I mean, the sound quality is pretty good. So the bass is good. The sound itself is extremely clear. So would I recommend these headphones? Yes, I definitely would. I mean, they're a lot cheaper than the AirPods. The build quality is decent. I mean, the case and the headphones themselves are made from this sort of rubbery plastic. I'm not exactly sure what the material is. So if you know, please let the community know in the comments. And yeah, that's it for this video. If you liked this video, thumbs up. And remember to hit the subscribe button. And if you didn't like this video, double click the thumbs down.